Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I'm going to use the stamp and die set from Concord and 9th called Christmas Cloche. So here is the stamp set. I also use this set to make Christmas cards, and I probably already have that app on my YouTube channel, so I will leave that link on my description box below. I went ahead and die cut all the pieces. I also used this die cut to make my Christmas cards. That's why it's a lot. Here I already have to and from on the back of the cloche. I also die cut this part of the cloche multiple times to get a little bit of dimension, and now I'm going to adhere all the pieces together. And also I'm going to add some distress on the edges on some of the pieces, die cut pieces. Here I also die cut the cloche from out of clear plastic, and that will go on top. And now I'm going to punch a hole on top of the cloche using my crocodile puncher. I have my twine here, and I cut that to 10 inches I think, and I tie it to my cloche and cut the excess twine. And then I'm going to adhere the leaves or greenery on top of the cloche. So I'm going to add 3 on each side, and I will add my bell in the middle. And the last thing I did is stamp my Merry Christmas on the lower part of the cloche. You can do this part before you attach the bottom part, but I forgot, so I'm stamping it now. And my Christmas tags are finished. I hope you like today's Christmas tags, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.